Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group 67 and today we will present about the Royal Plaza Hotel, Thailand. This is the overview of our presentation today. On 13 August 1993, the six-story Royal Plaza Hotel collapsed, causing deaths to 137 people and over 227 people were injured. Some of the main problems detected were unsafe building changes, weak enforcement of safety rules, and poor materials and construction. It was one of the worst man-made disasters in Thailand history. Originally, the building had only three stories, but it was progressively extended upwards without adequate structural reinforcement. This disaster not only highlighted the importance of structural integrity, but also underscored the vital role of ethics, professionalism, and governance in engineering.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Hakim Behelmi and my student ID is 21001761. And today I'm going to talk about the technical and the engineering issues of this collapse. So one key cause of the Royal Plaza collapse was the unauthorized addition of the three extra floors to a building designed for only three. These modifications were made without proper structure check or reinforcements, putting the entire structure at risk. Therefore, this violates Section 45 of the Thailand's Engineer Act, which prohibits anyone from practicing engineering without a valid license. The second issue was a technical failure because of the inadequate structural design. The investigation revealed that the reinforced concrete columns were under-designed and failed in shear. The poor construction quality and the lack of structural redundancy caused a progressive collapse where floor steps stacked vertically like pancakes, like in the picture above me. And this breached the Section 50 of the same Act, which require engineers to uphold public safety and follow ethical design practice. It also conflicts with Section 8, Subsection 6, 1 and Section 8, Subsection 6H, which empower the Council of Engineers to set proper standards and prevent professional misconduct.
Hi, I am Dinesh Fitri and today I will present to you about ethical reason for Ray Plaza Hotel collapse. First, we have negligence of professional responsibility, which is the three-story shopping mall where it was illegally converted into a six-story hotel. No structural engineers were involved in reviewing the safety of the expansion and cracks were reportedly ignored. Second, we have corruption and regulatory failure. The expansion was illegal but local authorities approved or overlooked it. This raised some serious concern about bribery or willful negligence. Thirdly, the hotel owner made decisions based on profit over people. They expanded the building to increase room capacity and revenue without caring whether the structure could handle the added weight. This profit-driven approach completely ignored the ethical obligation to protect human life. Lastly, there was a serious lack of transparency and also accountability. There was no documentation of the modification and also no involvement of qualified professionals. Even after the collapse, the accountability was minimal, with few people taking responsibility.
I'm Yap Kok Wei with student ID 201101. I'll briefly present three key recommendations to prevent disaster like the Royal Plaza Hotel collapse based on Thailand's Engineer Act BE 2542. First, regulate structural modification. The collapse was caused by unauthorized additions. Section 45 requires only licensed engineer to conduct structural changes, and Section 71 imposes penalties for violation. This ensures public safety through proper engineering oversight. Second, strengthen structure design standards. The failure showed poor load assessment. Section 84 mandates competence certification, and Section 50 enforces ethical design conduct. This guarantees safe, court-compliant structure. Third, ensure qualified supervision. No licensed engineer supervise the hotel's construction under Section 45, 50, and 60. Licensed professional must oversee all works. This promotes accountability and prevent negligence. In short, enforcing this legal provision helps build safer structure and restore public trust in engineering.
In conclusion, such tragedy could have been prevented by following safety rules and building laws strictly, using good materials and proper designs, and we must always put people's lives before profits. Thank you.